Hello children, today we are going to take agriculture the second part. In it you have to study in detail pulses and sugarcane. Pulses. Major pulses grown in India are gram and arhar or tur. The other pulses include black gram, urad, moong, green gram, masoor, lentil and matar, peas, moth, etc. India is the largest producer of pulses in the world. Pulses are grown all over the country under varying temperature, soil conditions and moisture, often mixed with kharif and rabi cereals. The main pulse growing states are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Pulses are leguminous crops. They can fix nitrogen in soil. So therefore they add fertility to the soil. They are better grown in rain-fed areas. Gram, climatic and soil conditions. Gram is the most important pulse that takes up 1/3 of the total area under pulses. It is used as a human food as well as animal fodder. It can grow under wide range of climatic conditions. Gram grows well in cold temperatures ranging from 20 to 25 degrees. It needs comparatively a dry climate with rainfall ranging between 35 to 50 centimeters. Frost is harmful for gram. It grows well in drainy, loamy soil. Alluvial soil of Kadar area of Ganga plain is suitable. Arhar or Tur, climatic and soil conditions. Arhar or Tur or pigeon pea is the second most important pulse in India. It is a kharif crop but also grown as a rabi in mild winters. Normally grown as a dry crop mixed with jowar, bajra, ragi and maize. It is sown between May and July, harvested between January and April. It grows well between 20 to 25 degrees temperature. It needs moderate rainfall between 40 and 90 centimeters. Sunny weather at the time of flowering and ripening stage can give a high quality bumper crop. It is raised in soil ranging from alluvial to black soil of the Deccan Plateau. Arhar distribution. Maharashtra is the leading producer of arhar, followed by Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. They together produce 70% of the total arhar. The area under arhar cultivation has not increased much in the last 50 years and the yield per hectare has not increased. Gram. Gram is a rabi crop sown between September, November and harvested in February and April. The crop is sown by broadcast method into rows. Gram is mostly mixed with wheat, barley and mustard. More than 80% of gram is cultivated in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. Other states of cultivation are Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. Sugarcane. Sugarcane belongs to the bamboo family and is the raw material for making sugar, gur, kandasari and industrial alcohol. The residue of the crushed cane is called as bagasse, which is used to make paper, fiberboard, etc. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. However, the yield per hectare is low. It holds an important position among cash crops in India due to its largest value. Sugarcane climatic conditions. Sugarcane needs a long growing season of 10 to 18 months depending upon climate. It grows well in hot and humid climate between 20 to 27 degrees. The bright sunshine after rainfall with a temperature of about 20 degrees increases the juice content in sugarcane. Average annual rainfall should be between 100 to 150 centimeters. It should be well distributed, but sugarcane also grows well in irrigated lands. Heavy rainfall gives less juice while less rainfall produces fibrous crops. Short, cool, dry season during ripening and harvesting is ideal for sugarcane. Hot and dry winds are very harmful and it needs a frost-free climate. Sugarcane soil conditions. Sugarcane can grow on a variety of soils such as loamy, clay, loams, black cotton soil and reddish loams. Deep, well-drained, rich loamy soil is ideal for sugarcane. Sugarcane should be rich in nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. Soil needs a heavy dose of fertilizers and manures as sugarcane can exhaust the fertility of the soil. Cheap and heavy labor is needed for all stages of growth and transportation is done manually. Sugarcane cultivation and processing. In this there are two methods, the set method and the ratoon method. The set method, sugarcane in our country is planted by taking cuttings called sets. Set is a stalk cutting of 2 or 3 joints. It is planted with a distance of 1.5 to 2 centimeters in a row. After a few days, buds sprouts to form new stalks. The cane matures in 9 to 10 months and is cut out using a sickle from the base of the stem. Maximum sugar is found at the base. Here in this picture you can see the set method and the ratoon method. Ratoon method. The sugarcane is harvested by leaving the root intact in the soil. Ratoon is a second or any other successive crops obtained from the previous. This method is popular because of low cost of production, less time and less labor. Sugarcane distribution. India is the largest producer of sugarcane, but yield is very low compared to other countries. This is because of lack of fertilizers, uncertain weather conditions, poor irrigation, small holdings and poor holdings. Three belts of sugarcane are Satluj Ganga plain from Punjab to Bihar, the black soil belt along the eastern slopes of Western Ghats, coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh and Krishna Valley. Sugarcane distribution. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in India. Maharashtra is the second. Karnataka is the third. Tamil Nadu has the highest yield. In Bihar, the sugarcane cultivating is shifting to wheat cultivation. Other states that produce sugarcane include Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan.